how are you all doing? Today I'm making something very special for you. Some of the friends, they have requested that Mona, can we have something in between the two meals, something like snacks. Okay, we are allowed to eat fruits, but sometimes we feel low in energy and we have sometimes also craving for the sugar, or if you are going for a gym also, in that situation it's very also good that you can have this one ball. So for this thing, what we require is, the first we will have your protein, which is from your model what we are using it, and it has no sugar in it. It has also pectin, and this 1 tablespoon is enough for you for your daily. You don't require more protein, so this is enough. And then we have our very special, this Logic coffee. This is not the normal coffee, you know about it very well. This also helps for your skin and also for your mood and focus, so it's really very amazing. I also use this coffee, just one coffee. It's so easy to carry for you anywhere, even if you are going for your work or for a break, something. Just open one coffee, just stir in cold or hot water, whatever you like, or also in your cold or hot milk, any kind of milk you can use it out, maybe soya milk or just the normal milk, whatever. It's really very delicious. I also take it, but the thing is that you get benefit with this coffee. The other coffees, it's just a general coffee what you are taking, but this has also BioCell in it, BioCell and collagen, which you can see it's a 7 years awarded product from our model. So let's start what I require first. Okay, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of your protein powder, which we have it here. So I'm making little more quantity so that my son, he also go for the gym, and he can also have it because he loved this. I tried last time and he said it's really very delicious. So there will be like 4 tablespoons of this one, and then I have took some bio dates. These are without seeds. If you also find with seeds also, you can take it out, it's not any problem. Then I have taken some almonds, some walnut, and I have also some snow almonds which I had it, so just a few. If you have it, you can add it. If you don't have it, it does not matter. So these are the I'm going to use the dry fruits, which are really very good. And then here is your some flax seeds. As you all know, this has omega-3 and also very healthy, and this is here. And then just what I will do, I will dip all these almonds in this one sachet of coffee for around 10-15 minutes, so that it becomes a little soft. So when you put in the processor to bind, it becomes a little messy, so it gives you good for the binding. So I will just start with this, and I will soak in water for 15 minutes. So here I have added my dates in the coffee for 15 minutes. Now it's soft also, and now I can grind it. So you don't throw this coffee, because this we will require it during the time of binding and this protein balls. So when now it's soggy also, now we will grind all these things together. So first what we will do, we will add the dates in the processor, then your all dry fruits, flax seeds, and at the last we will add your protein, and we will just make in the processor, and it becomes like a dough. And after that we can make it in little balls. So I'm just going to show you. So here you see, just I have grinded all these. I did not had my food processor, it was not working today what I had it, and then I just did all these mixtures. Just I grinded my all dry fruits, and then I have all made with my hand only, like a dough how we make it. So these are some like balls with all together. I have just, it's very easy to dough it out. So it's around, it will be like 50-100 grams of each ball. So this is also enough for you for your breakfast. If you don't have time, just grab this one and you can have your coffee or your milk with that, or else you can just dip one of this ball in your hot milk and you can have it. Or if you are making any smoothie, example in the morning of strawberries or any vegetables, so you can also just drop this ball in your smoothie and you can have it. So it's very easy, you don't have to mix all your stuffs again. So this is ready, and this will last around about 1 month. You can keep in the normal temperature, it won't go bad, and you can use it. So I hope this power protein ball recipe will help you out and you will like it out. Try it at home. If you want to know more about this coffee and the protein, what I have used it out, just drop me a comment and I will help you out, and you can get it and you can try it. It's really very healthy, and even if you are going for gym or regular, you can use it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.